We at the Treetop Quest, and they're about to do zip lining, and they're about to do some more adventurous things.
You guys are ready?
Yeah!
You excited?
Yeah!
4 to 6 is to go.
I guess a little baby.
Little baby adventures. So the kids, so Britt gonna be taking that, and then I'm gonna be walking with
Charlie Bean.
because she's 7. I think for the little ones it's about $19, and for Charlie
It is 35.
35, and for adults
It's 52 or 54.
54. Okay. So I'm gonna give you a little tour later on and see where, you know, how big it is. But they don't care if it's raining. Yesterday it was even better because it's sunny. But who cares? Zip lining. I'm going to show a clip of the things I did in Bahamas and Punta Cana and Cancun.
They ain't got you in.
So I had my turn, Britt had her turn, so it's the kids' turn.
Y'all excited?
Yeah!
Can't hear you. Are you excited?
Yeah!
I can't wait till you guys to see this, man. It's really cool.
I'm trying not to get wet on one.
You trying not to get wet on one? You trying not to get rained on?
Yes.
There's no animals, silly. Where's the animals?
Alright guys, so I'm going to take this off the door. Can you hold this one? Okay, this guy is called, yeah, he's called Captain Hook, okay? You see how he's shaped like a big C? Alright, Captain Hook, this opening here is Captain Hook's mouth. He's really stinky breath. We want to face him away from you. Can you show me how you can do that? Face him away from you? Okay, right like that.
Yep.
Hold it right like that. There you go. Face him away from you. This thing right here, super shiny, it's called a cable, okay? Captain Hook really likes to eat that cable up, so you always want his mouth eating it, like nom 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 nom, kind of like that, okay? You guys want to come over here a little bit? Don't step up yet, but see this shiny block thing? Captain Hook likes to eat that up too, so he's gonna go nom nom nom, and that's how you're gonna go up, okay? So wait, 1 second.
Wait a minute, Vincent. Wait.
This is the side you're always gonna go up, and this is the side you're always gonna come down, okay? So it's like a big circle, okay? All right, so when you're going on, always go like this, and you're gonna slide him over here. See that? You excited? Okay.
I know, it's okay. It's waterproof. It's okay. Let's go. Charlie Bean? You ready? Right here. She said, stop calling my name. Yeah. Right here, Bean. She don't look all. Mommy gonna be mad. You so dirty. Close it down. You got it? Good job. She's a big girl. She got it. What's up, big girl? That's letter B. Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry. Huh? Yeah, you're big. Me and you're big. Brit and Vincent Berry.
It's spelled for your B, right?
Yes, sir. What's B? What's the word that start with the letter B?
Oh, I know. Ball.
Ball. What else?
Baseball.
Oh, what else?
Basketball.
Oh, what else? There you go. You think you can do it? Or you want to quit now? You want to quit now or you want to keep going? All right, good job. He said, this is my new home now. Charlie, you're a trip. Come on, Beans, you can do it. Huh? Uh-oh. Pull yourself up, girl. Pull yourself up. Charlie's still moving and pushing. She was afraid for the last level, but she's making it. Got more balls than I do because I'm not getting up there. Erica's saying she wanna go on a date and do this. I don't know. We really came on the wrong day. Raining? Yeah. Sucks. What'd you say?
I should say I like pizza.
We're gonna get pizza and popsicles.
And candy.
No candy. Just popsicles.
Only popsicles.
Yes. No candy. You don't need both. Okay? We're gonna get apple, popsicles, and pizza. Charlie had a great time.
To over there. Don't take this glove to over there.
We're gonna eat pizza. You don't want pizza?
Yes.
Good job, Charlie.
You guys love pizza. It don't make no sense. Let's go, Charlie. Have a good one, man. Thank you so much. She said, I don't want to do number 3. No. All right, come on. She got a brain freeze. What the hell? You ain't eat nothing cold, silly. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go take these things off and let's go get home and get washed up. Yeah. Hey, all right, gang. Let's get out of here. Have fun?
Yes.
All right, come on.
Go ahead, walk.
All right, you got to take that off. Gang, gang, and that thing?
Yeah.
All right, come on, guys. Let's go. She brought y'all right on down here. She said, all right, I didn't want to put it back on there when you wasn't there.
Over there, Mommy.
What the hell? She got tired of there. I said, I don't know how y'all could do this all day. Ain't no damn daycare. My girl. Cool. My dog said who? My kids was beast today. You guys were really beast today and I loved it. You guys were beast today. Huh? You were a beast. You did the big obstacle. You did the big course. So of course you were.
Did you have fun, sweetie?
Come on, get up there so you can take it off.
Yeah. You guys did an amazing job. Say thank you all.
Come on, Keith. There, go in that porta potty and smell it. There's so much shit in there. This is not safe. All right, come on, Keith and Charlie. You guys are done. I'm gonna meet you out at the car.
Okay.
Come on. If you don't like pizza, something's wrong with you guys, right? Yeah. Something's wrong if you don't like pizza.
I don't like pizza.
What? Oh, son, you can't come back in my house. He can't come back in the house. He said he don't like pizza. Who don't like pizza? You are tripping, son. You are tripping.
Yeah, landmark. Getting ready. After this, we're gonna go to bed. You already know. Grandma over here. You already know. But what you think, B? How did the whole turn out? How did the whole turn out? Yeah, she over it now with it. Cause you know she gonna be. I'm gonna take this, but watch this. It is literally 11:29. I bet you she about to go there. Bet you. Right? And I'm gonna be in there.